welcome to the 2021-22 preseason construction update for Boca Beach Houses. Boca Beach Houses, just behind me, is the only waterfront new construction in all of Boca Raton. We're anticipating delivery in just 18 months, just in time for the 22-23 high season. Boca Beach House is nestled just on the east shore of Lake Boca and adjacent to the Boca Raton Beach Club, right on direct A1A. Boca Raton is located halfway between Palm Beach and Fort Lauderdale airports, and we do have our very own general aviation facility with 2 private FBOs. From the site, we are less than 5 minutes from world-famous Meisner Park, just along Palmetto Park Road, the thriving and vibrant Main Street of downtown Boca Raton. Here you'll find the best restaurants, shopping, museums, and thriving social scene with a little something for everyone. The A1A path runs the entire length of Boca Raton and beyond. This is home to spectacular Boca Beach Club and some of the largest and most impressive public beaches in the state of Florida, with attractions, including the Gumbo Limbo Nature Center, the world-famous Red Reef. This is the ideal strip to explore if you are into walking, jogging, or biking. If you're here on an early Saturday morning, you'll find yours truly. This is my very favorite place to go for a run in all of Boca. Boca Beach House is an ultra-luxury boutique condominium offering with only 32 private residences, with architecture by Sieger Suárez, landscape by the Raymond Jungles, and interiors by the Toast of Palm Beach, Ms. Linda Ruderman. Architecturally, Boca Beach House is a welcome departure from the ordinary, with a contemporary designed organic movement, walls of glass, and chic exterior facade. The residences at Boca Beach House are spacious, ranging from 3 bedrooms plus den with living space to just under 4,000 square feet, to an expansive 4 bedrooms plus den in over 5,000 square feet. All of the residences have abundant outdoor space, private summer kitchen, gas grills, and the Lanai residences have their own private dipping pool. Although Boca Beach House is fully sold out, I do encourage you to get in touch if Boca Beach House might be of interest. There are definitely going to be some opportunities on the horizon. Feel welcome to give me a call about this or any other luxury property here in Boca Raton at 561-500-PINK. That's 561-500-PINK. Thanks so much for joining me for this construction update. I'm Rochelle LeCavalier, bringing you the very best of Boca Raton luxury real estate. See you next time. Thanks for watching my show. If you like what you saw, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit that like button. It would mean a lot to me personally. If there's something specific you'd like to see, leave a note down in the comments for me. I'd be really interested to know what you think. If you'd like to see more, take a look at some of these other videos. See you next time.